Hi, in this video tutorial we'll be looking at how to delete records from our database. In the last video we talked about how to edit information, which is coming in here, changing information and updating it. Now we want to look at how we can come in here and delete information from the database. Okay, so we'll go to our code. You don't need an extra page like in the last video we had to create edit.php, but we won't be doing that for this video. All I have to do is to put an extra chunk of PHP code to help me delete information from the database. So I'll come up here, set my codes here. Alright, first thing is connect. Always connect to the database server. Second thing I'm going to do is to get the user ID from the web browser, and then I'm going to prepare delete SQL query. Of course, after doing that, I'm going to run the query, and then output message, success or error message, success or error message. Okay, we'll start with the first one, which is to connect. Well, I already did that here, so I'm just gonna come here, copy this, and put it here. Still does the same thing. Okay. Now, in the last video, I taught you how to get information from the URL using the get superglobal. We'll be doing that again. So I'll come in here, write an if statement. If is set $_get. I'm going to use the ID, that's this, the ID that comes through the URL. So I'm going to come in here and say, when I get that, I'm going to set create variable with user ID. I'm going to do that with $ID is equal to whatever we were able to get. Paste it in here. Then all this, I'm going to push them inside. I'll be doing them inside here. So I'm going to prepare a query, call it SQL equals to delete from TBL users, and this clause is very important, where ID is equal to $ID. And if I don't put this, I'm going to delete everything mistakenly without knowing it. So it's important you mention the particular user with their ID. And once I have that settled, I'm going to run the query, create a run variable, not that, I'm going to say MySQLi query, the connection file and the SQL file all together. Now I'm going to say if not $run, that's if we couldn't delete, I can say echo we say could not delete this user record. Try again. Let it. Okay. Else, I'm gonna say echo user record was successfully deleted. And that's important. We can come and look at it here. First of all, I'll try to register a new person. Let's work with that and say blab be and the blab in a blab blah 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 department bead making. I just put a date in there, sign up. Now this particular user has been registered. If you come in here, you see blabbing at blab.com on the bead making. But that record, we don't really like it and we want to delete it. Who did this? Let's take this out. So come in here to click delete. Now immediately you click delete. It's a call to undefined function myQSLi. So I think I made a mistake somewhere in the, so on line 37, we'll go back, line 37, instead of writing MySQL, I wrote myQLSI. So spelling is very important in PHP language. If not, you keep on encountering errors. So if I come in here, blabbing, so come in here, delete, and she's gone. So she's no longer going to blab in here. So she's gone. But then that's not really good. What if we want to do it in such a way that when you click, it should ask the user, are you sure you want to delete? Because just clicking the button and deleting like that doesn't really do well. So we have to insert a little HTML JavaScript document object model. So I'm going to come in here into the delete link and add in an onClick event. OnClick equals to, I'll say return confirm. I'll say, are you sure you want to delete this record? Now, if you notice, this syntax has a different color and it shows that it's going to be erroneous. So I have to escape these double quotes. In PHP, you don't use a double quote inside a double quote. So because we have this here and we are going to be using double quotes, we have to put in a backward slash. Backward slash is doing the function of escape string. So I'm using it to escape the string, saying do not take this as the closing string, use this last one here as the closing string. So these two strings were escaped to enable this work accurately. And I'll save, go look at it, or refresh the members. I try to delete Harry. Then ask me, are you sure you want to delete? Now if I click cancel, it cancels it. It doesn't do anything. And if I click delete and I say okay, wow, once I click okay, it's gone and it's not coming back. Alright, let's just click on okay. Harry's gone. Harry's gone. Come back here, Harry. Once you browse, find out that Harry is gone because we deleted him and is not coming back again. User record was successfully deleted. So we do that to always ask the user the question before they delete. I say cancel that, please cancel. Come in here, you look at this one more time, look at the code, pay attention to it, try to do it, try other things, try out some examples on your own, try to do anything mind-blowing. Look at the code very well and do yours. Pause the video before we meet in the next video. We'll be talking about validation to make sure that user puts information before they register on our site. Thank you once again for watching this tutorial. Meet you in the next tutorial. Thank you.